from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Citroën Cactus here. It's a C4. What I'm doing is I'm replacing the main dip bulb on this, which is a low beam bulb right there. That's the low beam, that's the high beam. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace that bulb there, but on the driver's side. Now on this one, it is quite a simple procedure. I always thought this would be quite difficult, but it's not, because you've got a lot of room for the headlights, as you can see right there. Okay, the bulb you need is a H7 bulb, which is right there, and that can be found in the description. Now, if you find this video useful and it's helped you in any way, please do like, subscribe, and share. And there's always there's a special button as well for special thanks. Don't forget to click on that as well. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. Now, before I do anything, I've noticed, now you can see the cover on this. See there and there. On this one here is missing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to advise the customer to get the cover for this. Now to do the bulb, I'll just show you. I might have to change the camera position 1 second. Alright, okay, what I've done is I've changed the camera position now. So you can see the bulb, it's inside there. The pin locator for the H7 is on the top. I need to get my hand in there, just right there. See if I can just zoom into it for a little bit for you. Right, it won't allow me to zoom in. Sorry, but yeah, that's the bulb we need to replace. What you got to do is you got to wiggle it, twist it to your left just a little bit, and then pull the bulb out. Just going to do that 1 second. Get my hands in. I hope you can see it. It's a bit dark in there, so you won't be able to see it. So if I wiggle it, pull it to my left, and then pull the whole thing out. So I just pulled it out. Now just remember how you pull the bulb out, that's how it goes back in as well. So the pin locator should be on the top, right there. So that's how the bulb needs to sit in as well. Change the position. Here we go, got it out here. So what you got to do, make sure this locator here is facing up. If you have any issues and you want to line the bulb up, you can obviously see it through this hole right there as well. So once you line the bulb up, the bulb should be pretty much lined up just like here. Can you see that there? So that's pretty good. It's sitting in perfect in the bulb holder. So what I'm going to remove the bulb and replace it. I've got the new bulb in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line it through the hole. Make sure it sits in straight. As I've got it in the hole now, just going to show you from the front. And if you can see, the bulb is, need to get a better angle. You might not be able to see anything much, but here we go. I've got it in the hole, and then I push it to my right, and that's it. It's in there now. Can you see the bulb around there? So sitting in perfect. It is working on your own. It's a bit difficult. I'm going to just show you on the inside as well. Now you can see there, the bulb is sitting in nicely. So the pin locator for the H7 is facing up. That's all it was on this particular model. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. There is a playlist for Citroën as well. Do check that out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and special thanks button. Thank you and goodbye.